Is your hair feeling heavy, dull, or just off? If so, you are not alone. And honestly, that is how I felt before I discovered the secret about sharing what I'm going to share with you today, y'all. There is a simple hair detox most women do not know about and completely transformed my hair in just a few steps. In this video, I'll show you what's really weighing down your hair, how to naturally refresh your scalp and your strands, how to get shiny, healthier hair without the harsh chemicals, and a few home tips most people never ever try. So I want you to stay tuned for until the end of the video because I'm going to share the exact trick that makes your hair soft, shiny, and full. Let's get into the video. Why detox your hair? Well, if your hair is dull and heavy and lifeless, it's a reason. A hair detox is like hitting the reset button on your strands. Healthy hair doesn't boost confidence. It reflects your wellness and your habits too. Think of it like this, y'all. It's skincare for your hair. So why your hair needs a detox. Over time, our hair collects so much stuff, dirt, pollution, chlorine from the water that you use, hard water minerals, layers of definitely product that us women love to, we get product buildup. We can be heavy on the products. And sometimes I am guilty of that myself. When this happens, you start to notice dullness, dryness, scalp irritation, even slower hair growth. And a regular shampoo is not going to just cut it. That's where this detox is going to come in. It's like a deep cleansing to your scalp, hair, so it can finally breathe again. What hair detox actually means? A hair detox isn't just washing your hair. It's about restoring the balance. It targets things like product buildup, as I mentioned, dead skin cells, environmental toxins, and supports natural oil balance. We definitely want to detox. The detox is also going to help the health of your scalp, which is so important to grow healthy, longer hair to make it stronger, shinier, and beautiful. So here's what a regular detox can do for your hair. It's definitely going to remove the product buildup, the chemicals, the unclogged dead skin cells. It's going to unclog your hair follicles, y'all. A lot of times our hair follicles can be clogged. And if you notice there's a lot of slow growth in your hair, it could definitely be coming from clogged follicles. So we definitely want to eliminate water minerals and toxins. You want to reduce the scalp irritation and dandruff that many people suffer from. You want to revive the dry and dull hair. So you'll literally feel the difference after you proper detox. So the best ingredients to get your hair detox that many people may know about, have ignored, or just don't know, like I said. So let's reveal, and like I said, it's a trick. You know how the magic people, when they pull out the hat, the rabbit out of a hat, and they snatch it out of the hat, y'all? Well, here is going to be the magic trick, y'all. So are you ready to see what's behind this white towel as the great detox. Here we go. Ta-da! It is definitely the apple cider vinegar. Now, I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so my camera can pick that up so you can see it. It's the apple cider vinegar. This stuff is God's given natural product for your hair. Like I said, it's natural. And if you look at this bottle, it's very cloudy at the bottom. And this is what you call apple cider vinegar with the mother. Now, this stuff is definitely going to detox your scalp. It's going to balance your scalp's pH, which is about a 5.5. It's going to definitely remove the buildup from the products. It's going to smooth your hair cuticles. To hear my story about my scalp issues that I had back in the day, I want you to go watch my video where I'm talking about apple cider vinegar. And you also definitely want to use aloe vera gel. Now, I don't have any here in front of me, but the aloe vera gel is definitely going to soothe any irritation. But before I talk about the aloe vera gel, the apple cider vinegar, like I said, is definitely going to detox the scalp. You want to put the apple cider vinegar in a spritz bottle and lightly spritz your scalp. You want to dilute it. Always make sure you dilute apple cider vinegar because it can burn your scalp. You want to do about 50-50. I usually use 2 tablespoons to maybe 8 tablespoons of water, which is about 3/4. Don't hold me to that, but I'm thinking that's right. But you definitely want to dilute the vinegar with water and leave it on your scalp no longer than about 5 minutes. You want to massage that vinegar and water into your scalp. It's definitely going to cleanse your scalp, y'all. It's going to rejuvenate your scalp. It's going to open up the hair follicles and it's going to cause your hair to grow beautifully. So, if you have any more questions about the apple cider vinegar, I can definitely help you with that. And if you want to get more into hair, getting your hair completely rejuvenated, check out the link in below. I have a custom hair plan that will definitely help you out with getting your hair routine down to the T to help grow your hair, to stop hair shedding, and get your hair pH balanced and everything beautifully growing. So you definitely want to check that out. Now let's get to the aloe vera gel, which is a scalp and hair benefits as well. Now it doesn't completely detox the scalp, but it's going to give your hair a cleansing action. Aloe vera gel contains an enzyme that helps remove dead skin cells, and it's also going to help unclog the hair follicles as well, which can reduce buildup on the scalp. So the soothing properties that are in aloe vera gel, and you want to use 100% aloe vera gel. I get mine from my food market. I go to Harris Teeter. I go to Food Line, and I will buy the long leaf. I will wash that aloe vera gel, the skin, very well, and then I will cut all the little pokey things off the side, scrape the gel out, put it in my blender, blend it up, and I have a gel to hydrate my hair. So it's going to definitely hydrate your scalp. It's going to balance the moisture levels without making your hair greasy. It has antimicrobial effects. It has natural antifungal. It has antibacterial properties that can help maintain a clean scalp. Now, for your aloe vera, when you apply it to your scalp, you can directly put it on your scalp, massage it in, leave it 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing it out with lukewarm water, or you can leave it in your hair as a leave-in. I do the LOC method since I have low porosity hair. So I don't wash mine out. I leave it in because it definitely helps lock in the moisture with my oils that I seal with. So if you want to pre-rinse and detox to open the cuticles, like I said, with the apple cider vinegar, you want to mix it and massage it into your scalp and hair. But this stuff is going to change your life and your hair for the better. If you've never tried it, you definitely want to get it in your hair routine. You want to follow up though with a regular conditioner, a leave-in if desired, because apple cider vinegar can dry out a hair a lot of times. So you just use your moisturizing conditioner and that will definitely take care of that. So for oily product, heavy hair, you want to use about 1 to 2 weeks with the apple cider vinegar. If you have normal hair, you want to use at least once a month. And if you have dry, curly hair, you want to use every 4 to 6 weeks. Now, I have frizzy, dry, curly hair. My hair is very coily, so I'll use it every 4 to 6 weeks. But I listen to my hair, so you definitely want to do that. Listen to your hair. It'll definitely tell you what it needs. A hair detox isn't just a trend. It's a game changer for healthy, happier hair. When you make it part of your routine, you'll definitely notice your strands, y'all, shinier. I don't know if you can see mine, but my hair, I just did a detox. It's very, very shiny. It's balanced. I have a clean scalp, and that's ready to grow and glow naturally. So stick with a gentle plant-based products and your hair will thank you. And this is natural plant-based product. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please stay tuned. I have more very, very important hair videos to tell you about. They will benefit your hair. And I want you to be patient with your hair, because beautiful hair, it just isn't about products. It's about care, patience, and knowing what your hair truly needs. If this video has helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural hair and wellness tips.